which web series was conferred the award for the best series? Arindam, you can start recording. So this is question 0. Please, Arindam, please let me know who was the first one to send in P. Mayur, right?
Yes.
Yes. Mayur, please unmute yourself and say the answer.
Is it experience?
Uh-huh.
Is it experience?
Who was the next one to send in P? Pranjal, please unmute yourself.
It's Tandem.
Who was the third one to send in P? Yeah, please.
Scam 1992.
Let us have a look at the answer. It is indeed Scam 1992. So no points for this. This is a demo question only. All right. So moving on to the first question. I hope you guys are excited. So the first question is, connect the following Bollywood movies to a web series with a recently launched prequel. कागज के फूल, Guide, मुगले आजम, हम किसी से कम नहीं, चौरबीन का चांद, कुर्बानी, शतरंज के खिलाड़ी and शोले. Hint is given in bold. Web series with a recently launched prequel. Connect these Bollywood movies to a web series. Very famous, and a recent prequel was also launched. Arinam, did anyone buzz? Yeah, Disha, please unmute yourself.
It is special ops. I don't know, it's ops or OPs.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Lovely answer. This is special ops. So Ritish, please note +10 to Disha.
Yes, Oda.
All right. So again, fingers on your keyboard. Moving on to question number 2. In the last episode of Scam 1992, the ending song "Mat Kar Maya Ko Ahankar, Mat Kar Kaya Ko Ghaman, Kaya Gar Se Kachi," which means don't take pride in your wealth nor in your body, for this body is weaker than the mud upon the potter's wheel. These words were sung by a legendary poet / saint in the 15th century. Identify the poet. Poet / saint is given in bold. 15th century is also given in bold. Crucial hints in these two bold words. Did anyone buzz? Hello?
Can I say the answer?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Is it Kabir?
Okay. Who was the second one to pounce? Guess your answer.
Tansan.
Okay. So the answer is Kabir only. So Disha gets +10. It is kindly note.
Yes, Dada.
So moving on to question number 3. Shown here is Relativity by M.P. Esther. The set of which popular web series did this print inspire? Have a look at the picture very closely. If you have seen the series and it is obvious, just have a close look at the picture. Okay, so did anyone buzz? Yeah, Mrigango, please unmute yourself.
Squid Games.
Squid Games. And who was the second one to buzz? Yeah, Chunky, your answer?
I think Squid Game too.
All right, you are correct, but both of you are correct, but Mrigangas gets +10. So basically, it inspired the staircases in Squid Game. So it is kindly note +10 to Mrigango. If you say it is similar, right? This staircases and the staircases in this picture. All right. So question number 4. Matilda, a character from the movie Leon the Professional, inspired which famous character in the world of web series? Once again, look at the picture very closely. The answer lies in the picture itself, and if you have seen the series, then you will be able to get it. Anyone who has gone for it? Chunky, please unmute yourself.
Tokyo from
Indeed,
Money Heist.
Correct. It is Tokyo from Money Heist. I think the hairstyle gave it away, right? Anyway, question number 5. Cheekily playing along with the devil theme, or it is kindly note Chunky gets plus 10.
Okay, Dada.
So, cheekily playing along with the devil theme, Netflix announced the release date of X's fourth season exactly 6 hours before streaming availability began in US at midnight on May 8 by way of a teaser ad featuring X emerging from a pool clad in only swim trunks, his ring, and a 666 tattoo. What is X? Devil theme 666 is devil's number. In the 666 is okay, Rishikesh, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, I think it's Lucifer.
Are you sure it's Lucifer?
Yes,
We watched it?
yes, I watched it.
Definitely. So, Rishikesh Deka gets plus 10. It is kindly note. Okay, so question number 6, fingers on your keyboard. Now, this is a tough one, but since it has an Assam question, so we have put this question. Name the talented Assamese boy who played the role of Siddharth Chaudhary in the popular web series Patal Lok. Assamese boy in the news for Patal Lok. Anyone who is gone for it? Tango, your answer?
Bodhisattva Sharma or something.
The answer. Plus 10 again to Mrigango. It is Bodhisattva Sharma. Great answer, Mrigango. I thought it was a tough one. So plus 10, Ritish, kindly note. Ritish, you're here.
Yes, Dada, I'm noting it.
So question number 7, once again, fingers on the keyboard. For this web series, fake opium was created by the production team. The team made 2 types of fake opium. The first type was made by melting the mixture of various kinds of dark chocolate and milk. It was later cooled and cut into small pieces. The second type of opium was made of dark clay and was used as a prop in the scenes involving the making and transportation of opium. What web series is being talked about? Fake opium made by dark chocolate and dark clay. Name the web series based on opium. Yeah,
Narcos.
Sorry, Devraj. -5 to Devraj. Next one to Pounce. To answer.
Breaking Bad.
Not Breaking Bad. -5 to you. Next one to answer.
Mirzapur.
This is indeed Mirzapur. So -5 to Devraj, -5 to Chunky, and plus 10 to gets plus 10. So it is kindly note. We are moving on to question number 8. This is in a tough one. Please look at the pictures very carefully. The logo of which science fiction horror web series was inspired the font design of these book covers. Look at the font design of these book covers very closely. A science fiction horror web series. I'm giving you a hint. This horror web series also has some reference to Stephen King, the famous horror story writer. So, which web series is being talked about? Dixita?
Stranger Things.
This is a brilliant answer. This is indeed Stranger Things. Plus 10 to Dixita. Lovely crack. Probably the best crack so far in this quiz. Question number 9. In the series, the family man, Major Samir and General Ansari of the Pakistan Army conspired to force India into taking military action against Pakistan. However, when the task thwarted Mission Zulfikar, Musa decides to go with Plan B, trying to recreate an incident which shook India. What was it? Which incident was Musa trying to recreate?
Bhopal gas tragedy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So Debraj gets plus 10. Ricky's note. Moving on to question number 10. Hints are given in bold phrases, so look at those carefully. The folk etymology of X is that the members would stitch disposable razor blades into the ticks of their flat caps, which could then be used as weapons. British author John Douglas from Birmingham claimed hats were used as a weapon in his novel A Walk Down Summer Lane. Members with razor blades sworn into their caps would headbutt enemies to potentially blind them, or the caps would be used to slash foreheads, causing blood to pour down into the eyes of their enemies, temporarily blinding them. What is X? Read the bold phrases carefully. Peaks of their flat caps, potentially blinding them, temporarily blinding them. What could be X? A very famous series. Anyone who has gone for it? Yes, yeah.
It's Peaky Blinders.
Peaky Blinders. All right, so have a look at the answer. It's indeed Peaky Blinders. So you can see the bold phrase peaks of their flat cap. So basically, they used to attach uh, razor blades in the peaks of their flat caps, and they used it to blind people. So hence the name Peaky Blinders. Shreya, it was answered by Shreya, right? Shreya, right? Hello.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
Shreya.
so plus 9 to Shreya, which is kindly note.
Noted.
All the answers getting correct. Very nice. What connects the following? Kelly Kapoor's character in The Office, a popular pan masala brand, Tuberose flour. Prigango, please unmute yourself.
Rajnigandha.
Are you sure about that?
Uh, what did you
Wait,
say?
how did you? Yeah, are you sure about Rajnigandha?
Yes, yes.
Arrive at the answer.
It's Kalli Kapoor's middle name.
The answer is Rajnigandha. So Mrigango also gets plus 10. Question number 12 coming up. Shown here is the poster of Daredevil season 2. This poster is a tribute to which famous artwork? Where would you find the artwork? Look at the artwork very closely. I'm sure you guys have seen it. So tell me, what is this famous artwork, or where would you find it? A tribute to a very famous artwork. Yeah. Yeah, Lakesh, your answer.
Punisher.
What? Can you repeat?
Punisher, like Punisher in Punisher web series. It is like the logo.
Got the right answer. -5 to Alexis. It is a very famous artwork, right? Anyone else trying? Yeah, Anurag, kaisa answer?
Is it Baroque art or something like?
I need a specific name actually. Just tell me where would you find this artwork. No need to name it. Just tell me where would you find it. Anurag, are you there?
Yes.
Your final answer?
No, actually,
Okay.
I don't
Okay,
know.
moving on to next one to bounce. Anyone trying for no points? Anyone?
Avengers Endgame.
For Avengers Endgame?
Said
Well,
the Terracotta Army of China.
Not really. The answer is, so you will find this artwork on the Sistine Chapel, right? So the artwork is Last Judgment by Michelangelo, and you'll find it on Sistine Chapel in Vatican City. Very famous artwork. So -5 to Alakes and Anurag Kaisab, right? All right. So question number 13 on your screen. Now, he is H.G. Tannhaus from the science fiction web series Dark. He authored a book, A Journey Through Time. His surname is a reference to a German legend. From whom or how does he derive his initials? A Journey Through Time is given in bolds. So focus on that and focus on the name H.G. Tannhaus. Right? Tannhaus is derived from a German legend. How are his initials derived? Or from whom is his initials derived? Yeah, Disha, your answer.
H.G. Wells.
Are you sure about this?
I think
Lovely crack from Disha. This is indeed H.G. Wells, the author of The Time Machine. So plus 10 to Disha. It is kindly note. Question number
Yes,
14. The question. He is Nitin Vijay, Managing Director of Motion Education Private Limited. What did he inspire in the world of web series? Who has gone first for this? Yeah, Chunky, your answer?
Jitu Bhaiya.
Obviously, it is Jitu Bhaiya from Kota Factory. So Chunky also gets plus 10. So question number 15 on your screen. Please read the bold phrases very carefully. The basis for the series is the exploration of parallel universes and alternate dimensions. It was established for the first time in 1957 by scientist Hugh Everett to theorize about other universes and dimensions interacting with the actual but separated by different frequencies of wavelengths. This series is the first animated series of its franchise and ponders you to ask a question. What series is being talked about? Parallel universe, alternate dimension, the first animated series of its franchise and ponders you to ask a question. What series is being talked about? Who has gone first? Side, your answer?
Black Mirror.
Not Black Mirror, -5 to side. Rishikesh, your answer?
It's What If.
Indeed, it is what if. So Rishikesh gets plus 10. So question number 16 on your screen. Hands on your keyboard. Season 1, video file extensions such as .flb, .mov, encrypted file formats such as .tc, .aes, file designations and command line codes such as undo.gz, legacy.so. Season 4, errors like 404 not found, 401 unauthorized. What series is being talked about? Let me give you a hint. The answer is from Silicon Valley. So think apart from Silicon Valley, what could be the other series that can contain this technical details? So has someone gone for it? Think. Apart from, yeah, side, your answer?
The IT Crowd.
Not the IT Crowd. -5 again to side. Anyone else trying? Very famous series. Yeah, Mrigangi, your answer?
Mr. Robot.
Mr. Robot. How could you crack that? Hello?
I have heard about it. I have heard about it.
Yeah. So like, what are these? Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, 4 mentioned in the question? Or it was just a guess?
Just a guess.
Plus 10 to Mrigango. So basically it is Mr. Robot. So basically this .flb, .mov, these are extensions in the episode names of Mr. Robot. All right. So question number 17 on your screen. Very easy question. It is obvious that the protagonist in series House is inspired from a fictional character by the following: House's apartment number, House's act of faking cancer in season 3, similarities between the names, Joseph Bell's manual on operation of surgery as a Christmas gift in season 5, friendship with James Wilson, patient with last name Adler. What fictional character is being talked about? Probably the easiest question is this. Yeah, Lisa, your answer.
Sherlock Holmes.
Indeed, it is Sherlock Holmes. Lisa gets plus 10. So question number 18. During his speed, X smuggled 70 million worth of cocaine every week, amounting to about 20 billion profits a year, making him one of the richest men in the world. It is said that he spent approximately $3,000 in buying rubber bands for his money each month. Reds nibbled at 10% of his money, amounting to a loss of $2 billion each year. Who is X and name the famous Netflix series based on his life? Another easy question. Who has gone for it? Atlanta, you answer. Atlanta,
Pablo Escobar. Pablo Escobar.
in the series?
Narcos.
Indeed, the correct answer, Pablo Escobar and Narcos. So Atlanta gets +10. Question number 19. What is the significance behind the lottery ticket number in final episode of Dhindora? Look at the number very carefully. Significance of this lottery ticket number, nothing to do with the content of the web series. Just think what it. Yeah, Chunky, your answer?
I think it signifies his birthday.
Birthday of Chunky?
Yes.
Birthday of whom?
I think his father or his mother. I'm not quite sure.
Okay, I'm not giving for this. Birthday was close. Next one to Pounce. Yeah,
Birthday of Bhuvan Bam.
+10 to yes, Burden, right?
Yes, Jasubardhan.
Yes, Burden, yeah. So it is +10 to yes, Burden. Okay. So indeed, it is birthday of Bhuvan Bam. Question number 20 on your screen. Identify the actress who played the role of PM Basu in the Family Man 2 and the inspiration behind her role. She is an actress hailing from Assam. Name her and what was the inspiration behind her role? Who was the inspiration?
Mamta Banerjee.
The actress? Name of the actress?
I forgot her name.
Okay, so next one to Buzz. Yeah, Pranjal, your answer.
Jyoti Basu.
And the name of the actress? Okay, next one to Buzz. Yeah, so Burden, your answer.
Seema
I think
Bi-
it's
Seema
Mamta Banerjee and Seema Biswas. Seema Bishwas.
Yeah, yes, Burden said it right.
Yes.
And Seema Viswas. So I'm giving 5 to Yeso Burden and 5 to who was the first one to say Mamta Banerjee?
Mimi.
Mayur gets +5 and Yeso Burden gets +5. So this is Seema Viswas and the inspiration was Mamta Banerjee. Question number 21 on your screen. So in the third season of the X series, there is a scene where a Brazilian monk who goes by the name Joao makes an appearance. He is dedicated to his cause and not at all into soccer and partying. For those who know, it was hard to believe that it was why. But later, White did confess that he did make a cameo appearance. I need to identify X and Y. Name the series where a Brazilian monk appears and he's not into soccer and partying. Yeah. You answer, Migangu. Migangu, you there?
Money Heist.
And why?
Neymar Jr.
Good answer. So +10 to Migangu. Money Heist and Neymar Jr. is the correct answer. Question number 22. On the day of the shoot, everyone, including the actors, gathered around and made a circle. They formally introduced me. I didn't know what to say because I didn't prepare. But I said, the only thing coming to my mind right now is that I was born in a small town in Assam, where newspapers used to come 3 days late. And now I am here today, crossing the galaxies. So thank you for letting me into your family. Who is the actor and what web series is being talked about? Very famous Assamese actor. Appeared in a very popular web series. Crossing the Galaxies is a very big hint. So, anyone who has gone for it? Yeah, Pranjal, you answer. Pranjal, unmute yourself quickly. Pranjal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your answer quickly.
Is it Adil Hussein?
Web-
Hello?
yes, yes, in the web series. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, you're audible.
Web series, I forgot.
Next one to pounce. Just right. To answer.
মাইনাছ দিব নেকি মানে মই জাষ্ট এনে ট্ৰাই কৰিব বিচাৰিছিলোঁ
Try কৰো.
মানে এনে ট্ৰাই কৰিম মানে প্লাছ হ'লেও নালাগে মাইনাছ হ'লেও নালাগে হেল্ল'
Yes, go ahead.
Adil Hussein in Lost in Galaxies, Lost in Space.
Anyone else who wants to go for the guess? Okay, so I'm revealing the answer. The answer is Adil Hussein, but the web series is Star Trek Discovery. So, question number 23 on your screen.
Dada, nobody got points, right?
And nobody got points. Number 23 on your screen now. This series premiered on Wednesday, 9 June. This date is of significance to Norse myth. Wednesday was known in ancient Britain as Odin's Day. Odin was another name for Odin. The number 9 is a special number in Norse mythology. 9 realms. Odin hung from a tree for 9 days to gain wisdom. Which Disney Plus Hotstar web series is being talked about? Is it my
Loki. Loki.
Indeed, it is Loki. The penultimate question of today's quiz coming up. Most of the questions have been answered, and I'm sure these two questions will be answered as well. Question number 24 on your screen now. The series test was associated with a 28.9% increase in suicide rates among US youth ages 10 to 17 in the month following the show's release, according to a study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry. The researchers found that the rates of suicide for 10 to 17-year-olds was significantly higher in the months of April, June, and December 2017 than were expected based on past data. This increase translated into an additional estimated 195 suicide deaths. What web series is being talked about? Web series related to suicide. Easy one. Who has gone for it? Yeah, Anurag, your answer?
13 Reasons Why.
Why is indeed the correct answer. Please unmute yourself. Yeah. So before moving on to the last question, I want to say a few things. First of all, I'm very happy that except for 2 questions, other 22 questions got cracked so far, and I'm sure that the last question will also get cracked. So we're very glad to host such a excited audience. And please share your feedback in the WhatsApp group after this quiz is over. Your feedback will help us give more value to you in the near future. So please share your reviews, and once again, thank you for joining into today's quiz. So the last question, also easy one. Fingers on your keyboard. Here comes the last question. Connect. Yeah, your answer.
House of Secrets,
How did you arrive at the answer?
because of the tree and they mentioned the fact about the tree and the religious thing about it in the beginning of the show.
All right. So yeah, this is indeed House of Secrets. Leena Yadav, the girl from the picture, is the director. Lalit Yadav, a cricketer and the protagonist of the series. Banyan Tree was explained by Atlanta, and Burari location. Burari is the location of the map. Plus 10 to Atlanta, right?
Yes.
Atlanta. So Ritesh, please announce the balance of our participants.
Yes, sir. Syed Abdul got 10, Aklanta 20, Anurag 5, Devraj 5, Dikshita 10, Disha 40, Rishikesh 20, Jashu Burden 15, Mayur 25, Shreya 10, Chunky 15, Alakesh 5, and Mriganka 50.
All right. So lots of people made money. I guess more
Yes,
than 10 people made money today. So kudos to everyone. It is not about winning or losing, it's about learning. And I'm sure that everyone learned a lot today. Thank you so much for joining us. And please give your review in the WhatsApp group. And also tell us what topic you like so that we can get to know what you want and we can conduct quizzes on that topic. So that's
Do
all
not
from
leave
our
the
side.
do not leave the meeting, guys, right now.
Not leave the meeting.
And, yeah.
We'll take a screenshot. Get your screenshot. Yeah. So kindly switch on your cameras.
দাদা আপুনি প্ৰেজেন্টেশনটো হেৰি কৰি দিব
Yeah. প্ৰথমতে প্ৰেজেন্টেশন থকা এটা লোৱা দেন
আচ্ছা ৰ'ব মোৰ অকমান ইস্যু হৈছে
কোৱাচোন পাৰা যদি প্ৰেজেন্টেশন থকা মই লৈ আছো দিয়া
লৈ দিব নেকি মোৰ অকমান মানে হেৰি হ'ল
মই লৈ আছো তেতিয়াহ'লে ৰ'বা
ঠিক আছে
Just a second. Presentation থকা ললো মই আৰু
এইটো লৈ লওক নহলে মোৰ মানে কিবা সেটিংসটো খেলি মেলি হৈ আছে ইয়াতে কোনোবাই চেঞ্জ কৰিছে Mic off আছে আপোনাৰ
So that's all for today. Thank you all for attending today's event and happy quizzing.